Hello everyone. In this video you will be learning about formatted string or what is formatted string and why it is used. So let's get into it right now. Let's print the message. Now print this. Run. Hello, I am Python developer eager to learn. This is what string or value we have stored in message. What if we want to print this like inside a double quotation mark? We want to print this as message you have received is this message. You can see it as now run our code. You can see it as it provides the same message, literal, not the variable. So there is a concept or there is a syntax in Python. When you use f in the beginning, you can use something called curly braces for formatted string. So inside this curly braces, you can use the variable you want to insert here. Let's see how it works. Run this and you can see message you have received is hello, I am Python developer eager to learn. Now what if we want to keep a double quotation mark inside this message? We can simply do like this. What do you think? Is this a correct way of writing a program? Let's see how it works. You can see it blows up because in the previous video you have already learned about skipping character or skipping sequences. Since Python searches for another string literal syntax, that is whether you use single quotation mark or double quotation mark, it searches for the end of the string. Here it ended and here again it started after this. So if you want to include this, we need to skip this character. So we use like this. Now it should work completely fine. Let's run this. Now you can see down, you get a double quotation mark inside your message. So this was all about formatting string inside a print statement. So thank you. See you in the next video.